Feel the sharp edge of a stone digging into your palm. Feel the sudden burst of heat as a match strikes into a flame. Every instinct tells you these sensations are real physical properties of the objects themselves, but absolutely none of these experiences actually exist outside of your own head. It is time to look past our biological hardware. Let's see through the illusion and observe what physical reality is actually made of. Consider 5 distinct items: a red rose, a ringing temple bell, a rough stone, a spoonful of sugar, and a flickering flame. If we ask which of these objects is made of energy, the physics requires a counterintuitive answer: every single one of them. The distinct, colorful, and textured reality we navigate every day is a massive biological trick. The human body is a deceptive translator. Start with the rose and the familiar, deeply emotional experience of taking in its fragrance. This animation shows the flower's hidden physics. The rose possesses no scent. It merely releases a steady stream of vibrating molecules into the air. Your nose acts as a biological decoder. It captures those neutral molecular vibrations, translating them into the psychological experience of fragrance. Now, shift your attention to the ringing temple bell. When struck, the metal does not produce what we call sound. The impact only creates mechanical vibrations in the surrounding air. Your ear captures that vibrating air, decodes the physical pressure, and translates it into the auditory sensation you recognize as a ring. Without a nose to catch the molecules or an ear to receive the pressure waves, the physical universe is entirely odorless and completely silent. Take the heavy, rough stone. It is our ultimate symbol of solid, undeniable reality. This diagram reveals the structure inside that stone. A grid of atomic nuclei is separated by vast fields of black space. The rock is 99.99% empty. Your hand is never actually touching the object. Instead, invisible electron clouds magnetically repel each other, creating resistance. Your nervous system encounters this invisible electromagnetic resistance and misinterprets the repulsion as the physical sensation of hardness. Solidity and touch are not actual properties of the universe. They are merely a desperate interpretation generated by human skin. Next, consider a spoonful of sugar dissolving on your tongue. Sugar contains no inherent sweetness. The crystals merely trigger a specific mechanical exchange of electrons with your taste buds. Your brain entirely invents the concept of sweetness in response to this chemical exchange. Another biological creature processing the exact same molecules might taste absolutely nothing. Finally, look at the flickering, warm yellow flame from a dia. This animated diagram illustrates the physics of fire. Light appears because electrons jump between atomic energy levels, emitting wave frequencies. Your eyes decode these neutral wave frequencies into the visual illusion of color, while your skin decodes the exact same radiation as warmth. Flavor and color simply do not exist in the wild. The universe is a cold canvas of chemical reactions and invisible wave frequencies. Pull back conceptually from the microscopic details and look at a human being standing amid the vastness of the physical universe. This diagram represents our core revelation. The universe transmits one single message: raw energy. The human body acts as a biological decoder. It takes that stream of neutral energy and translates it into 5 distinct dialects: sight, sound, smell, taste, and touch. If all of this is translation, we are left with a lingering philosophical question. Is the whole world just inside our heads? No, the physical world truly exists outside of us, but it is completely, inherently neutral. The universe provides the raw energy, but the vivid, colorful, and loud experience of reality is uniquely human. It's only when we let go of our senses that we can finally see through the illusions of our daily lives.